Welcome to our guide on navigating the world of online stock trading. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills, this video will walk you through everything you need to know, from opening your first brokerage account to mastering market analysis. Let's dive in. Setting the foundation. First, let's understand what stock trading is. Simply put, it's buying and selling shares of companies to make a profit. But remember, trading is different from long-term investing. It's about short-term strategies. Getting started. To start trading online, you'll need a brokerage account. Choose a platform that fits your needs, whether it's low fees, educational tools, or advanced analytics. Analyzing the market. Market analysis is key to successful trading. Use technical analysis to study price charts and indicators like RSI or Bollinger Bands. For a deeper understanding, turn to fundamental analysis, evaluating company performance through earnings reports. Making your first trade. Now it's time to make your first trade. Start by practicing with a demo account before using real money. Identify an opportunity based on your analysis, decide your trade size, and always set stop-loss orders to manage risk. Risk management strategies. Risk management is crucial in stock trading. Diversify your portfolio across sectors to minimize losses, and always use tools like stop-loss orders to protect your investments. Tools and platforms for success. Leverage tools like TradingView for advanced charting or Thinkorswim for in-depth analysis. These platforms can help you spot trends and make informed decisions. Building a portfolio. When building your portfolio, balance high-risk stocks with stable investments like ETFs or index funds. This strategy ensures consistent growth over time. Common mistakes to avoid. Don't fall into common traps like emotional trading or over-leveraging. Always do thorough research before making decisions and stick to your strategy. To recap, online stock trading is accessible but requires knowledge and discipline. Start small, keep learning, and you'll grow as a trader over time. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tips, and check out our resources in the description below.